Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the unsupported video type or invalid file path error in Windows 11 and Windows 10. This error usually appears when trying to play a video in a browser or media player, and it's often caused by missing codecs, wrong file paths, or incompatible formats. Don't worry, it's easy to fix with a few quick steps. Let's get started. Open the search menu and type Windows Features. Click on Turn Windows Features on or off. In the list, scroll down and find Internet Information Services. Check the box next to Internet Information Services. Click the plus icon next to it to expand more options. Under Web Management Tools, make sure IIS Management Console is also checked. Click OK to apply the changes. Wait for Windows to apply the requested features. Once the installation is finished, close the window, restart your computer to ensure the changes take effect. That's it. Now you know how to fix the unsupported video type or invalid file path error in Windows. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.